Hi friends, welcome to my YouTube channel Smart LED LCD TV Repairing. Today I am going to show you a video about 15 must-have tools before you start repairing business. Now friends, this video is for beginners and also for hobbyists who want to repair LED TVs and electronics. But these tools a must technician should have. Friends, subscribe my channel, like it, share my video, and now let's come to video. Starting from my right, this is digital multimeter and this is analog multimeter. As you know, digital multimeter is the life of a technician. Without this you are blind. So on number one spot you have almost this multimeter. Without you are nothing. On second, this is a magnifier. This is used to view SMD components on a board, circuits like that. It is also a must. On third number, these are pair of pliers, tweezers. These are used to pick the small SMDs like resistors, ICs and other small components from the circuit. Man should have this must. Next, these are Phillips screwdrivers. These are also used to open LED cases and other small circuit boards. Next, this is wire stripper, and also you have cutter. Sorry, I have not this at time, but you have that cutter too. On my next, this is a universal remote. LED technician must have this because many types of TVs come at his shop and he is unable to have remote of all types. So this is a good thing. Next thing is this fine set of tweezers or screwdrivers. I think this is called a precision set. This should also be very important. On my next list, this is lamp. It is also very useful because it is used to see small components and easy to clear the fault. Friends, on my next list, this is a software programmer, firmware programmer, RT809F. It is used to upgrade firmware in the LEDs and also take backup. So it is also very useful. With this, it is also important. You know all well, this is a flash drive USB. It is used to copy data or firmware from LEDs and also used for upgradation. Friends, this is the most important thing. This is LED tester. Before this LED tester invention, we used to search the LED backlights one by one, and we lost our very important time. After this, it become very easier to check the backlights. Next is this sucker. It is used to suck the soldering wire from molted circuit. Next is this soldering iron. This is a simple one, and this is soldering station. If anybody afford this, then he must this. But if he cannot afford and he is a beginner or starter, then this would work for him. Friends, on my next list, this is hot air or called heat gun. This is also used to remove SMD components and also install them on the board. Friends, in my last but not the least, this is a series bulb. All the technicians know that this is very useful in verifying a circuit which is burnt and used in repairing of power supplies. So friends, this is all my video about basic tools when any technician want to start repairing or make his shop, then these tool he have must before starting business. Okay friends, this is all today. On my next video I will tell you about that which components or spare parts are mostly required in a remote area or where there is city shops are not available near shop or your home, because these components are required very urgently and you don't have convince or their time to go to city area or anywhere, then you have these components. So wait for my next video. Till then, goodbye.